Hey guys, so today we're going to be comparing a Tangem versus Arculus Wallet. Which crypto storage solution is better for you in 2025? First off, we'll go over the key features of Arculus Wallet, and then a Tangem Wallet, the pros and cons of each, and then we'll make a decision based on that. Now, Arculus Wallet actually has, NFC authentication, so you don't need cables, you don't need Bluetooth, you can use the NFC technology, okay? It is also considered a fully cold storage wallet. That means you do not need an internet connection, okay? And it supports over 10,000 plus cryptocurrencies, including the major ones, okay? And you can actually use 3-factor authentication to protect yourself. Those were the pros. Now let's look at some of the cons. One is that there is a hardware dependency. So if you lose the card, you lose access. So you'll need a backup cold wallet to prevent crypto loss, okay? Now, also there's fewer supported cryptocurrencies and compared to other hardware wallets. Also, there's no multi-sig feature available. By the way, I must mention that the Arculus wallet retails at $99. Now, the Tangem wallet consists of a set of cards ranging from either 2 or 3, and prices range from $49 to $144. So this is also an independent wallet. It does not rely on seed phrases for recovery, and it also uses NFC technology, okay? And if one card is lost or damaged, you have another backup card that can be used to access the funds. Of course, you don't need any battery, you don't need any connection, okay? It supports cryptocurrencies, over 78 networks, okay? All the big names are available. Now I'll go over the drawbacks with this. So if all cards are lost, you get recovery issues, but it is better than Arculus since they give you more cards, and you also get fewer multi-factor authentication features than Arculus. It lacks PIN or biometric security, okay, and it's actually more compared to the other hardware wallets, more expensive, right? In conclusion, I would say Arculus would win in this case because it has multi-factor authentication with PIN and biometric features. Definitely will win, right? So if you found this comparison helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.